Enjoy breathtaking Manatee River views and resort-style living in this fully furnished condo located in the highly sought-after Tidewater Preserve community. Built in 2019, this 2-bedroom, 2-bath residence features a bright, open floor plan designed for comfort and relaxation. The spacious primary suite offers dual walk-in closets, while the private screened lanai is the perfect spot to unwind and take in passing boats, dolphins, and stunning Florida sunsets. The chef-inspired kitchen includes stone countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a large island, making it ideal for both everyday living and entertaining. Tile flooring, tray ceilings, in-unit laundry, and an assigned covered parking space add to the convenience. Tidewater Preserve is a boater's dream, featuring a private marina with slips available for rent and direct access to the Manatee River and the Gulf of Mexico. Residents enjoy resort-level amenities, including 3 pools, 1 overlooking the river, 2 fitness centers, tennis courts, a kayak and canoe launch, dog park, scenic walking trails, and 2 elegant clubhouses with kitchens and lounge areas. The community also offers high-speed ultra-free internet, maintenance-free living, and a full-time lifestyle director who coordinates events and fitness classes. Ideally located near I-75, Sarasota, UTC Mall, and Tampa and SRQ airports, this home offers coastal living with modern convenience, without the congestion of